In front of me is my phone N23, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluid Slide Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist developer. When your app is ready, open it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then select Consent in the pop-up and click on those three lines at the bottom right corner. Finally select Set as Live Wallpaper, hit Yes, and tap on this gear at the top right corner. Then manage all of those options however you want to. When you finished, go back, click on Set Wallpaper and decide where you wish to apply it, on home screen or home screen and lock screen. I will go with home screen only, so when I tap and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!